Hi guys, this is John from Meatgistics University, and this is Smoked Meat 101, Safe Internal Cooking Temperatures. Roughly 1 in 6 U.S. citizens will suffer from some form of foodborne illness every year, according to the CDC. Now, there are many reasons for this, but one good way to prevent it from happening is to cook your meat to the FDA-recommended internal cooking temperature. Reaching this temperature will kill off harmful germs and spores associated with that meat type and form. The best way to check this is with a digital probe or pen thermometer. For poultry, like chicken and turkey, you want to cook your meat until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. This includes all cuts of poultry like the breast, legs, wings, and when it's ground up. This is going to kill off a large number of harmful bacteria, including E. coli, Salmonella, and Staphylococcus, and there are many others. For beef, pork, veal, and lamb, you want to cook entire pieces like steaks, chops, or roasts up to 145 degrees, and cook any ground product like hamburger up to 160 degrees. Now, the reasoning for this is that the center of something like a steak has been protected from being introduced to harmful bacteria by the meat around it on the outside. As soon as you grind that up, you're potentially exposing everything to all that bacteria. That's why you have to go to 160 for that. Now, 145 degree steak is medium well, in my mind at least, and I'm not going to cook a steak up to that temperature every time, probably not any time. Now, I can get away with that because very few harmful bacteria live inside the meat muscle. It will generally be on the surface, so as long as it's seared, it will kill most, if not all, harmful bacteria. That's why we can get away with ordering a rare or medium rare steak at a restaurant. For fish, the safe internal temperature is also 145 degrees. Now, there are obviously some exceptions to this, like sushi and sashimi, but those are made safe in other ways, mostly freezing it in a temperature that will kill any parasites that are living within the fish. Now, the easiest way to make sure that you've reached the desired cooking temperature is with either a probe or a pen thermometer. This pen thermometer you just stick into your meat. It'll almost instantly tell you what the internal temperature is, so you can tell as soon as you've gotten there and just pull it out. Or you can go with something like this. This is the Grill Eye Pro Plus thermometer, and this probe goes into your smoker or grill while the base of the unit sits on the outside. So this is perfectly fine to be exposed to heat for long periods of time. And on this one, it even communicates with your smartphone, so you could sit in your office or in your kitchen and just wait till it's ready to go and then go on and take it on out. I'll go ahead and post a link in the description to the USDA's recommended cooking temperatures for all meats. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Meatgistics University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.